Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today, July 3rd, 2026, we're tracking 3 stories for Southeast Asia. Japan's Metaplanet crosses 43,000 Bitcoin. Indonesia's parliament opens deliberations on an international financial center bill. And Bitcoin reclaims $61,000 as sentiment lifts out of extreme fear. Let's break it down. Story 1. Japanese treasury firm Metaplanet disclosed on July 2nd that it purchased 2,823 Bitcoin in the second quarter, lifting total holdings to 43,000 Bitcoin. The tranche cost about 12.71 million yen per coin, roughly $80,000, for a total near $170.7 million. Once income from the firm's Bitcoin income generation business is counted, the effective price falls closer to $77,000. Metaplanet is now the world's third-largest corporate Bitcoin holder, with cumulative investment near $4.2 billion. The buy was financed through borrowings, bonds, and options revenue, not new share issuance. For Southeast Asian traders, Japanese treasury demand keeps absorbing supply while spot Bitcoin ETFs bleed, partially offsetting institutional pressure on regional price action. Story 2. Indonesia's Parliamentary Financial Commission agreed on July 2nd to begin deliberating a bill creating international financial centers with their own separate court system. Commission head Muhammad Misbahun said all parties agreed to move forward, targeting passage by July 21st. Finance Minister Purbaya Yudi Sadewa said the bill aims to draw foreign capital and deepen Indonesian financial markets while maintaining legal sovereignty. Each center may adopt international commercial law principles within defined limits, and a special court would decide disputes tied to activities in the zone. Indonesia will offer Dubai-style incentives. For crypto users across Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines, dedicated center zones could open a licensed corridor for tokenization, custody, and cross-border settlement, layered on top of the P2SK bank-style supervision that took effect July 1st. Story 3. Bitcoin reclaimed $61,000, currently at $61,335, up 2.29%, with a day low of $59,555 and a day high of $62,038. Ethereum surged 5.55% to $1,697, testing $1,715 intraday. The catalyst was Fed Chair Kevin Warsh, telling the European Central Bank meeting in Portugal that inflation expectations have declined and inflation risks have lessened. The Fear and Greed Index climbed out of extreme fear into fear, the first meaningful sentiment lift since the quarter opened. However, spot Bitcoin ETFs still posted $296 million in net outflows Wednesday, meaning the rally runs on retail and long-term holder buying, not fresh institutional demand. For Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian leveraged users, 62,000 is the first resistance gate. Wait for a daily close above 62,000 plus 3 straight days of positive ETF flow before sizing up. Today's 3 takeaways. 1. Japan Metaplanet crosses 43,000 Bitcoin after Q2 purchase, becomes world's third-largest corporate holder. 2. Indonesia Parliament begins deliberating International Financial Center bill with separate court system, targeting July 21st passage. 3. Bitcoin reclaims 61,000 and Ethereum surges past 1,600 on Warsh Dovish comments, though ETF outflows continue at 296 million. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.